Hello, and welcome back. So Black Friday packages are starting to arrive. I got a couple here from Madam Glam. I put in a couple of orders for their Black Friday deals. And here are the first ones. So what I did was picked up a few colors that I'm missing from some sets that I wanted. I also grabbed some base and top coats. So I've got here, soak off base, no white top. And again, another base, another top. I have to always make sure that I have multiples because chrome and glitters and pigments get all up in there, and I have to have separate ones for each. So this is tinsel. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so I got the base and top coats, but I think I also got, let's see here. I think I also got the new collection that just came out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, okay. So this package had the new December collection that came out. House of Reflections, I want to say it is. So I'm pretty sure that's what I've got here. And I also picked up their new chrome paints, chrome gel paints. So we've got gold, rose, and vintage. So those are the new chrome paints. I originally had their silver and I absolutely love it. So I'm hoping these ones are going to be just as good, I would figure. Sorry about the dogs there. All right. So yes. So this is the newest collection that just came out for December. So it has got 4 cream colors and 4 gorgeous hollow colors. Some of these do look quite similar to a few of their colors that I already have, but we'll see. I'll do swatches and see what they end up looking like. Here, let's turn on the flash. Still doesn't really pick up that, oh, there you go. There's that hollow effect, I think. It's coming through. Has to get blurry for that to work. So that's the silver called tinsel. I love, like special effect colors. The hollows and the, oh wow, look at that go. I have a couple of blues already, though, that I think are quite similar to this from them. This one looks gorgeous. I don't think I really have anything like this. I've got quite a few red glitters and such, but I don't know if there's anything that's got that kind of hollow, that cool hollow look to it. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are screaming Christmas and New Year's for sure to me. Gorgeous. That looks a lot of fun. So yeah, so that's the new collection. And I will be doing swatches of those for you to check out. So let's see what the other package has in it. All right, so here's the other package. I am a VIP member. I also have a professional account, but I use my VIP membership all the time to get base coats, top coats, all kinds of good stuff. When deals go on, you can, if you don't want to do VIP membership, you can always use my code, which is loveyournails35. I'll put that in the comments that you can check out, and that'll give you 35% off your order whenever you want, if you're not deciding to be a VIP. So this order had a bunch of polishes, but it also came with, really exciting here. Sorry, I'm trying to get everything out of this box here. Their new lamp. I always love trying out new different lamps. I've got quite a few different ones. So this looks really sweet. This looks nice. Looks like a nice improvement from their previous one that I had. So here's your power source. Let's just take a look and see what this baby looks like. Okay, so at least there's a reflective bottom. I always like to see in the higher grade ones, they do have a metal insert top. That's what I kind of like to see for, you know, higher end lamps, but not all of them have that. But it is nice when the whole inside is metal, you just get that much more reflection going on. And so we look like we have a 90, 60, 30, and a 10-second timer. Yeah, so I kind of like that. It's deep, which is nice. It is a little, it's not as wide as I would like to see, but, and let's see, yep, the bottom comes off nice and easy for cleaning or shifting around. So you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, so I'll have a play with that and see what it's like. All right, so then in this order is the one that I picked up some colors that I was missing. So there's going to be quite a bit of random stuff in here. So House of Nourish, I think it was called. I had been sent a promo package, and I got, I think, 3 of the colors from the House of Nourish with that. And so I wanted to pick up the rest of them. So these ones looked really, really interesting. I got one of them. And they were just really cool. I like that stone effect. It was a lot of fun to work with. So yeah, so this is the rest of House of Nourish. There's some in here. Set in Stone, Shining Star, Aurora, and what else was there? Yeah, New Quest. It's like a minty green. And I think this one, nope. Oh, maybe that was it. Okay. I'll have to check, but I think those are the rest of the House of Nourish that I was looking for. So I got this to try out, which is the new silver chrome, only it's a liner, so that might make it really easy to do really quick line work when you want to use silver chrome for it. And I do really like the consistency and the application of their silver chrome, so I'm happy to try that out. And then I did get rubber base coats. So those are something that I will be experimenting with to see for, you know, for natural looking French. And I've never really used them very much. So I picked these up from Glam. These are the rubber base coats. We've got Brazil, we've got Ecuador, and we've got Peru. And so just nudes in a rubber base coat. This one's a little bit pinky toned. The other two are tan and a little bit lighter tan. So I will be comparing those to using sheer for things like French tips and your natural base, as well as I bought a bunch of SV rubber base coats to check out those, just to see the differences and stuff. And since there's really quite a big price point difference for them. And then these I picked up just kind of finish off some of my collections. I've got the agate, which is a really nice, another stone look one. I already had the terrazzo. I really, really like it. So I always wanted to pick up this pink one as well. And then a few of these are from the 70% off outlets. So really good deals there. They tend to be around, I don't know, $6 or $7. This is Casual Friday. This one looks really cool. It's got quite a shimmer in there. Sandcastle. This is from a beach set I don't know if it was last year or the year before, and I was missing this one. It didn't come. So it's supposed to have like a sandy texture. No, it's just like a taupe color. We'll see when, I think it's supposed to have a bit of a gritty texture or maybe a shimmer to it or something. So we'll see when we swatch that, what it ends up looking like. Honeydew. It's a very minty green. I don't have a lot of lighter minty greens, I don't think. So Boat Trip, I think I'm going to have a dupe that looks almost identical to this. But I'm a sucker for teals and blues and such. So I thought I'd try. Vitamin C, again, I may have something that's really close, but you never know. I love my blues and teals. Purple Hero. It's really pretty, kind of a muted dusky purple. And then Cottontail is from one of the, I think like the Easter time pastel kind of collections. And last but not least, I picked up a Velvet Matte Top Coat because I don't think I've ever used their matte top. So I will see what that is like. So there we go. So that's unboxing for Madam Glam. And plenty more to come. All right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to love your nails.